The dawn silence in Mangba Community is about to be broken by some special residents. These morning serenaders are known as Derbyan parakeets. Perched on banyan trees, these smart little birds are faithful companions to the Blang ethnic group that has lived here for many generations. Thus, the place is dubbed Parrot Community. Accompanied by the chirps, the villagers begin their day. Among them is forest ranger Wang Cheng. This is part of the Nuojadu Nature Reserve by the Pu'er section of the Langkang River. Located in the transition zone between tropical and subtropical areas, this distinctive topography endows it with a mild and humid climate. A variety of wildlife thrives here, including some 180 kinds of birds. Today will be a busy day for Wang. An old friend is arriving from afar after a long expectation. Yang Zhufei is a bird photographer. The two got acquainted thanks to birds. Since 2015, when Yang paid his first visit to the nature reserve, he's been fascinated by these beautiful creatures. He was called on by Wang to help identify a bird recently sighted near the community. Toting heavy gear to work in the field comes with an array of challenges.
这个鸟巢非常精致啊！你看，王子阳，这是巴士东啊，翅膀上还有3点。芒巴斋啊，是首次发现的一个鸟种啊。再拍几张。
This trip turns out to be quite smooth. After examining the footage of the nest, Yang identifies the species as rusty-naped pitta, which has never been seen locally. Wang feels gratified. Thanks to increased environmental awareness, the adjacent environment has improved. Some never-seen-before bird species have come to settle here. At dusk, the Derbyan parakeets return from feeding to their comfortable nests. Wang and Yang call it a day. As the parrot community's fame has grown, tourism has flourished. The local Blang people have greatly benefited from this green dividend.
坐，坐。